Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Instagram something went wrong. For example, if you try to open your Instagram and after that you see this kind of error on your Instagram while you open your profile or open your Instagram. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have simply first of all close this page, and after closing the page, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to the App Store, and after in App Store you have to simply search for the Instagram app, and in Instagram app you have search for whether it is showing any kind of update or not. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app, and after updating the Instagram app you have to simply check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply open the Instagram app again. So here you have to simply open the Instagram app and again, and you have to check if the problem is solved, then well and good. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to settings again, and this time you have to go to general, and after that you have to go to iPhone storage, and after that you have to scroll it down when you find the Instagram app. So here you have to simply look for that, and here you have to simply click on offload app, and after offloading the app you have to click on reinstall the app, and after reinstalling your problem will be solved. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.